Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Geometry Dash using arrow keys. To begin, understand that the up arrow is your primary control for jumping and flying. A quick tap performs a short hop, while holding it down allows for higher jumps or sustained flight in ship and UFO modes. The left and right arrows become crucial when you're in certain vehicles, like the robot or spider, enabling precise horizontal adjustments. Mastering these basic inputs is the first step to conquering any level. Timing is everything in Geometry Dash. For small gaps and single spikes, a quick, precise tap of the up arrow is usually sufficient. When facing larger obstacles or sequences of platforms, you'll need to hold the up arrow for a longer duration to achieve the necessary height or distance. Pay close attention to the rhythm of the level and the placement of hazards. Using practice mode is an excellent way to repeatedly try challenging sections and perfect your jump execution. Beyond the standard cube, arrow keys adapt to various vehicles. In ship and UFO modes, holding the up arrow makes you fly upwards, releasing it makes you descend. For the robot and spider, the up arrow jumps, while left and right arrows move you horizontally. The ball simply flips gravity with each up arrow press. The wave moves diagonally, holding up goes up, releasing goes down. Each vehicle requires a slightly different approach to arrow key input. To truly excel, explore advanced techniques. Minitaps, very quick and light presses of the up arrow, are vital for navigating tight spaces or making tiny adjustments. Dual mode sections, where you control two icons, demand even greater coordination and timing with your arrow inputs. Consistent practice builds muscle memory, making complex sequences feel more natural over time. Don't hesitate to watch others play. Observing their arrow key usage can reveal new strategies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.